Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hanin kasngi ka arpo artarik ujilio ka Ancon bat ka Department of Culture Affairs. Jong ka Sarkar Assam kila penlong ya ka Festival of Theatre hanong ba Shillong kabalong hau Susatham Auditorium hakasin ka Banengkong hakabaki kunhon ba per na ka Jala Assam bat Meghalaya kila wan bani Shimenta hakani kasngi uba AL Hek uba day Menteri ka Arts and Culture ulalong ukongsan hakajing don lang jong Manas Ranjan Mahapatru Director Information and Public Relations jong ka North Eastern Council bat kiway de Kikan hon na kini ki artli ki jela ki lapan iya ki sap ki pong jongki da ki drama baper kuntup ya ki drama khasi batip kerteng kum ka jingkut lat ka use me peru wahi shururat hakakten hindi bat ka run haka Assamese Hagani kasngi ka Patisi TV kala yo ro bania kren bat Manas Ranjan Mahapatru upadai Director jong Information Public Relations jong ka North Eastern Council ula ong baka jingpelong ya kani ka Festival of Theatre kalong ban kentiwi ki samla jong ka jela ban mi syakmat ban peni ya ki sap ki pong baki don syaka pertai
Taken as a pilot project for promoting theatre in the region. This is the first ever theatre festival of Shillong. Shillong has a great tradition of art and culture. It has also language population of many languages, but at the same time, for last many decades, theatre festivals did not happen. Stray plays, one or two plays happened. So we thought of doing with Ancon a festival of theatre. We did training of young people. This is actually training come festival of theatre for the young. That is the main concept. We did training for almost 1.5 months in Guwahati, and then we did one festival at Guwahati. That happened in first part of February. Then we wanted to do it early, but because of the election and later some unrest, it was delayed by a few months. But we are very happy that we are doing it today. We look forward to work with state government. I have already spoken to the Art and Culture Minister, our dear friend Mr. Ian Heck, that we will do an annual theatre festival here. Through theatre we can engage our population, our people, young people. Because they, who knows, today the young boy who is working in theatre, tomorrow he may be a very prominent actor in Hindi or other films. It is possible. We have seen growth of people like Adil Hussain from this part of India. We have seen many such talents in Assam. We also feel, I personally feel, as a man from mainstream culture, that young talents of this part of India should go to Bollywood, should go to Hollywood, should act. So theatre is the only way, because through theatre you can create a workforce for theatre and films.